Good morning, my lovely souls. So, before we begin, let's find a comfortable and quiet space where you can focus on your emotions and thoughts. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and prepare for this tapping session. As we go through this process, remember to tune into the emotions and sensations in your body and allow yourself to fully experience them without any judgment. So, we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I often find myself comparing myself to others and feeling inadequate, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I struggle with perfectionism and fear of failure, I choose to love and accept myself exactly as I am. Even though I have a lot of negative self talk and it brings me down, I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Now we'll tap through the meridian points. We'll start with the eyebrow point. I feel this pressure to be perfect. Everyone else seems to have it all together, but I'm just struggling to keep up. I constantly compare myself to others, and it always leaves me feeling inadequate, like I'm not good enough. I'm so afraid of failing. I'm so afraid of not meeting expectations. I'm so afraid of disappointing others and myself. The negative self talk is relentless. It's like a constant barrage of criticism, telling me I'm not smart enough, not pretty enough, not good in general. But what if I could let go of this need to be perfect? What if I could accept myself just as I am, with all my flaws and imperfections? What if I could be kinder to myself, to treat myself with the same compassion and understanding I offer to others? I choose to release the pressure to be perfect. I choose to embrace my uniqueness and authenticity. I choose to let go of comparison and embrace self compassion. I am worthy. I am enough. I choose to love and accept myself completely. I am worthy. I am enough. I am worthy. I am enough. I am worthy. I am enough. Relax. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or negativity. Notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Embrace any shifts or insights that have emerged during this tapping session. Remember, you are worthy of love and acceptance just as you are. Allow yourself to carry this sense of self compassion and empowerment with you as you continue your journey of self exploration and growth. Take a moment to journal about your experience and any thought or emotions that came up during the tapping session. Be gentle with yourself and continue to practice this self compassion as you navigate through your personal development and beyond. You are on the path to healing and transformation. Thank you for tuning in.